our open house in ABM College is having students come in to enroll, give the information on the programs. We are here to accept any students that are international students, students looking to further continue their education, or students that have completed their high school diploma and wanted to get their experience into the college. In our open house, any of our students who walk in do receive a $500 scholarship, which is really generous for us in the college. The people that will be in our open house on that day will be our amazing admission advisors, as well as our student loan officers, who will be able to help you enroll right on the spot. So as an admission advisor, we are inviting you to join our open house on August 7th. It's going to be a 3-hour event, and from there, all of our admission advisors, the loan officers will be there to help you set up the enrollment process and get you into your path of career.